Do you want to add location on Instagram notes? You can put location on an Instagram note with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To add a location on Instagram notes. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you are on Instagram, go to the Messages section by tapping the message icon. At the top of the screen, tap on your note or what's new to create a new note with a location tag. Now, a new screen will open. Type your note message first. After adding the message, tap on the location icon below your profile picture. Instagram automatically inserts a nearby location. If you want to add another location, tap on this location name. Now, search for your location in the search bar. Select the location from the results. Finally, tap Share to post your note with the location. Your Instagram note will now show the location along with your text.